U.S. law enforcement agencies are assisting local police to track down the persons behind the shipment of guns and ammunition which were seized yesterday at the Freeport Wharf in St. James. This was disclosed by Head of Area 1 Police Assistant Commissioner Clifford Chambers in an interview with Radio Jamaica News. ACP Chambers said the police were called to the wharf about 6 o'clock yesterday evening.
Based on observed irregularities, a shipped container was opened by members of the contraband enforcement team in the presence of police, and found in the container were 19 handguns, 6 rifles, 13 magazines for pistol, 9 rifle magazines, and 474 assorted ammunition. Based on the find, a high-level investigation is now on the way involving local and international counterparts. It must be noted that this is the second major seizure at the wharf in recent years, as in 2018 a similar seizure was made for which a gang leader was investigated and prosecuted.
Now, 30 handgun magazines, 9 rifle magazines, 6 Glock speed loaders, and 12 Glock backstraps were also seized.